we are doing another vlog. Oh yeah, who's loving the tweed vlogs? So I did tell you guys that I'm going to try to do some more casual vlogs so you guys can just follow me around, see what I do day to day. And today we're actually tackling my beauty room. If you guys haven't seen my previous beauty room tour when I first got this room set up, go watch that, because honestly that was one of the most exciting videos I've ever filmed, and it's on like 500,000 views, which is crazy. However, we're doing an updated version, and I've now hired my older sister as my assistant, so she just works with me part-time, and I just basically pay her to come and spend time with me and to clean up my room, and she's so good at organising. I have chopped and changed this damn wardrobe probably 4 or 5 times now, and I've done it again. You guys can see here I've got a massive hole here because I decided to take out the drawers. So originally I had all of these shorter drawers all in here, but I found with the shorter drawers it is quite annoying because you end up missing quite a bit of space in the middle from the divider that you have to buy when you get a bigger section like this. And basically I just had so much foundation, so much eyelashes, but not that much concealer, so it's such a waste of concealer going in one whole drawer by itself. So this is all the makeup my sister needs to be sorting out and putting in the longer drawers. You can see that some categories are overfilling, and in some categories there's hardly anything in the drawer. So we're going to be a bit more efficient today. We're going to revamp this place, and I'll keep you guys updated.
One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames, breathing, we are catching fire. Thought that we were wiser.
Go on, Greg, do the honours. Woo! Okay, now take it away. Now she's gonna be dealing with all of this. Graham was putting everything in bags yesterday, and he was like, "What the hell? You have a whole bin bag full of eyelashes." So I got this from Ikea. It's called the Skubb box. I think it's quite new. I don't know if it's new. It said new on the website, but it had 6 little cubes, and it's really nice and white, so it fits in perfectly. And I bought like 6 of them because it was only like £4. Okay, so this is what one of the Skubb boxes looks like.
And then you literally just zip it up and perfecto.
Yay! And it has 2 of these. There's 2 kind of rectangle ones and then 2 small cubes as well, so it's quite cute. And this is just a really good way to just section off all my foundations, concealers. I'm so annoyed because I thought I had loads of these Skubb boxes. I bought like 6 of them, and literally one drawer takes up like 2.5 packs, guys. That's annoying. So I'm gonna have to go back to Ikea. So my sister is trying to organise all my earrings all nicely. Look how organised she is. I literally just stashed them in here. You guys can see they're literally like a scrumpled up mess. So I bought this big tonka tonk that I call a label maker. It's so freaking huge. I could honestly like knock someone out with this. I had previously had professional organisers come in and they labelled everything, and it's so much easier as well. So I'm going to do that for all the new drawers. So we've got foundations. Woo! There we go. Oh my god, it's wasting so much tape. Look at all that excess waste. Why is it like this now, please? I wanted it shorter, and why are you wasting all this? Why? Are you just trying to take my money? Why? Okay, so we're still organising the earrings, but I just saw this drawer here, which is like a complete nothing drawer. So we're gonna extend the earrings over, because earrings are like one of my favourite things to shop for online. I love earrings so much. Anyways, these are the earrings that didn't make it, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm so sad to be departing with them. Even though I have so many earrings, I probably have like 100 pair of earrings here, but these are so pretty. But the freaking gem's gone missing, and I'm still hoping that maybe the gem might be here somewhere lurking, and I can put some lash glue and stick it back on. Same with these as well. Like, how pretty is this? But the gem's missing again. And then these ears, I don't think I've even worn them before, but the hoop's gone missing to put actually in my ear, so it's a bit of a waste. So they're gonna have to go in the bin. Womp, womp, womp. And then look at all these other earrings that I don't want anymore. My sister's like, I'll have them. Okay, so earrings are done. So much more organised. Well done, girl. And then we've got hoops on this side. This is how I organised it. It doesn't look as cute. So my sister's going to go through all of this. And how are you arranging it, huh?
So we've got the high-end stuff, and then we've got like MAC and the medium end, and then this is the bargain corner, which is your cheap high-end stuff. Which no one will touch.
Yeah, this is all drugstore, so I'm pretty sure I'll probably only have like 2 foundations in that one. So I'm going to leave her to organise her madness, and then I'm going to try to tackle this table that I tackle every single day of my life, every single time I get ready. I don't know why I can't put things away. Right, so we managed to get one little drawer done. This is really, really good. Huh? You did a great job. She's done all primers in this section. We got concealers at the front and then foundation at the back. The drugstore one, there was just too much foundation and not enough drugstore, so it ended up overflowing. But it still looks really, really good. And I've got some space to add a few more as well. So what's your plan next, Young?
So we're doing the face powders now. Loose powders, then we've got the compact one, and then we have highlighters, bronzers, and also cheeks. So I'm trying to organise it, but I think once I divide into categories first and then make it look pretty.
Okay, so she's gonna have to go through all of this and try to make it fit into that one drawer. And I just got some new shoes in. I've literally been downstairs, so I just got some new deliveries. How cute are these shoes? These are from Ego Official. And how cute are these? So nice. They're like a knockoff of the Balenciagas, but I love them. So while my sister's in the other room organising, I need to hop onto the iMac and quickly edit Instagram video for tonight. I am going to be heading to Paris tomorrow, so I need to have 3 videos ready, which I'm so not ready for. Also, this room is such a mess as well, guys. I've done a bedroom and closet tour already on my channel, so if you're interested in what this room normally looks like, go and check out that video. We are actually changing out the table legs on this table here, because when me and Gran need to work, he works on the bed, but he always ends up falling asleep, and I put him all this time on my stories, and it's so annoying. We are going to be clearing out this little desk thing here. It's honestly like just junk in here. There's like nothing even in here that's useful. And we bought some new table legs from Ikea, so that's going to be on the agenda next. So I need to quickly edit these videos, and Gran's going to come back from Ikea, and then I'm going to try to get these videos edited. So you guys think that I have a glamorous life? Honestly, it's freaking not. I'm most of the time organising my makeup room and then sitting on my desk like this. More Skubb, Skubb, Skubbs. You get a Skubb, you get a Skubb. Woo! Skubb through. Guys kicked me out, and I'm actually working on a laptop now, which I hate working on the damn laptop because the screen's so small, but he needs to go fix that damn table. So we have a dilemma at the moment, guys. Look at what Gran has done. Go on, babes, tell him what happened.
So we got rid of this.
Okay, so this is the drawer that I was showing you guys earlier, just a shitty drawer.
So we decided to get 2 legs instead, so we both can fit underneath. And I was like to Thuyl, you got space here, but is it worth paying £25 to get the 6 inches?
So we was basically trying to be cheap, and we was like, oh, we don't need a new table, we can just live with the space here. But now this space looks huge. He literally just came back from Ikea, and I think I'm gonna have to make another Ikea run, because now we've got all the iMac and everything all laid out, and before he puts on all the wires and stuff, it's just better to get a new table now. It's so annoying because this table, we actually cut it off. Look, this is what's inside of an Alex table, guys. It's actually hollow inside. It's just made out of paper. It's not even wood. We cut it off, and now we want the extra few inches. So annoying. And this one has all holes in it anyway, so it's quite disgusting, really. Back to Ikea, babes. Back you go. Alrighty, guys. It is 11 o'clock now. It's been a good, solid couple of hours. So my sister has left now, but I wanted to show you guys the progress that she's done back here. She's just like so good at organising. I'm just one of those people that like get bored so easily, and I just find places to just shove things, and I'm like outside out of mind type of person. Let's go and have a little look. My makeup's been on for so long now, I can't wait to take it off. So she organised my lip drawer the other day because this was such a mess. This is really handy because she's done it in brand order. So she's done all lime crime, all dose of colours here, so it's super organised. All my pencils are here. I've also moved my palettes from my last room tour. You guys saw that it was in a smaller little drawer, but the palettes just kept overflowing, so now it's in a bigger drawer now, and I still have room to grow because palettes is like a thing that comes out like every month. You guys saw the foundation drawer. This is now the face drawer. So we've got all the concealers here, and then we've got all the foundations at the back, and then primers here on the side. Here's all the tubey kind of primers. Anything in the tube goes here, and then we have all the new primers here. So the second drawer is my powders. So this is anything to do with loose powders, highlighters, palette highlighters, palette blushes are here. We've got some contouring powders here, blushes. Then the next one is my eyes. So she put all my pigment all inside here, and then I've got all my eyeshadow bases with glitter liners, and then this is all eyeliners here. We've got some loose pigments. This is all eyebrows. This is all mascaras, guys. Who needs this many mascaras? I have no idea. This is all brand new eyeliners and brand new mascaras. This was such a mess before, and I couldn't tell whenever I wanted a new eyeliner. I didn't know where to go because it was just a big mess. And now it's just so nice and neat and organised. And then here we have some eyelashes. Here on this side, I don't know what the hell this box is. These are just extra random boxes, I guess. And then these are all like face stickers for like Coachella and stuff like that. Also, I want to show you guys this little thing that I got from Ikea. This is like a little trolley. You can wheel it around. I actually love it so much because I literally sit right here, so I can just reach over. This is like my skincare and then also brand new skincare that I want to try for videos. And then down here is literally such a mess because I literally just filmed this morning, but this is all brand new products. So any products I want to feature in videos goes here. And then also down here, this is all like PR packages. So anything that I want to show that's still inside the case, this goes down here. But
that one you set up?
Wow, we can fit 2 seats in here now. I'm thinking to get another iMac because that'll be so good here. But we want to get a new chair, but the chair that we wanted was
out of stock, and I have to go back again this week.
5 times a week, Gran goes back to Ikea. That's the norm, right? Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little day with me cleaning, organising, editing and bossing Gran about, you know. I am trying to do more casual vlogs as well so you guys can get to know me more, get to see what I get up to day to day, and also some organising tips as well, because I am trying to be a new woman, guys. I'm trying to change my messy ways. If you like this video, please give me a little thumbs up. If you guys want to see more casual videos, if you guys want to see me go back to Ikea next time, let me know, because me and Gran are addicted to Ikea. Gran unfortunately is not addicted, but I'm forcing him to, you know. So if you guys like this video, please give me a little thumbs up. I have loads of other vlogs on my channel already, so make sure you go check that out. And also, if you guys haven't seen my beauty room tour, go and check out that video, because that's a super popular video and I show you guys my tips and tricks about filming, all my setup and everything like that. So super juicy, so make sure you check that out. If you guys have any other video suggestions, you can also leave a comment down below, or you can message me on all my other social media platforms. It's just xThuyLe on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. Oh yeah, I'm like a Korean pop star. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Oh, the bloopers. Oh, we're in the bloopers. Ding, 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 ding. I wish I could dance, guys. I've got like 2 left feet. I'm like, hey, oh.